Guess the Bollywood actors by their eyes with me. Before starting the video, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more fun updates. Can you guess who these intense hazel eyes with thick brows belong to? The correct answer is Hrithik Roshan. Can you guess who has deep brown eyes and subtle makeup? The correct answer is Alia Bhatt. Can you guess who has almond-shaped eyes with dark lashes? The correct answer is Priyanka Chopra. Can you guess who has wide brown eyes with a soft gaze? The correct answer is Vicky Kaushal. Can you guess who has sharp eyes with a smoky look? The correct answer is Katrina Kaif. Can you guess who has kind eyes with fine lines? The correct answer is Salman Khan. Can you guess who has big, round, very expressive eyes? The correct answer is Janhvi Kapoor. Can you guess who has hazel eyes with a youthful sparkle? The correct answer is Tiger Shroff. Can you guess who has a piercing stare with bushy eyebrows? The correct answer is Ajay Devgn. Can you guess who has bold, kohl-lined eyes? The correct answer is Shraddha Kapoor. Can you guess who has sharp eyes with a mischievous twinkle? The correct answer is Ranbir Kapoor. Can you guess who has very large eyes with fluttery lashes? The correct answer is Kiara Advani. Can you guess who has a calm, mature gaze? The correct answer is Vidya Balan. Can you guess who has the classic Bollywood beauty eye shape? The correct answer is Madhuri Dixit. Can you guess who has youthful and confident eyes? The correct answer is Tara Sutaria. Can you guess who has rugged eyes with an intense stare? The correct answer is Sanjay Dutt. Can you guess who has elegant eyes with minimal makeup? The correct answer is Disha Patani. Can you guess who has an artistic, focused look? The correct answer is Ayushmann Khurrana. Can you guess who has dreamy eyes and a slightly sleepy look? The correct answer is Imran Khan. Can you guess who has soft, elegant feminine eyes? The correct answer is Karisma Kapoor. Can you guess who has bold and The correct answer is Anushka Sharma. Can you guess who has graceful, almond shape? The correct answer is Tabu. Can you guess who has intense eyes with dramatic lashes? The correct answer is Nora Fatehi. Can you guess who has deep, soulful eyes? The correct answer is Pankaj Tripathi. Can you guess who has shy, downward tilt? The correct answer is Varun Dhawan. Can you guess who has youthful energy? The correct answer is Rika. Can you guess who has sharp, mysterious? The correct answer is Yami Gautam. Can you guess who has bold and The correct answer is Kangana Ranat. Can you guess who has very large eyes with fluttery lashes? The correct answer is Kiara Advani. Can you guess who has mysterious eyes and a... The correct answer is Akshay Kumar. Can you guess who has shy, downward tilted eyes? The correct answer is Priyati Zinta. Can you guess who has youthful energy? The correct answer is Puraniati Chopra. Can you guess who has classic The correct answer is Kareena Kapoor. Can you guess who has cool, The correct answer is Bipasha Basu. Can you guess who has intense, method? The correct answer is Kartik Aryan. Can you guess who has passionate? The correct answer is Ranbir Kapoor. Can you guess who has graceful eyes? The correct answer is Jacqueline Fernandez. Can you guess who has sharp eyes with eyeliner? The correct answer is Deepika Padukone. Can you guess who has shy but expressive? The correct answer is Siddharth Malhotra. Can you guess who has soft eyes and The correct answer is Hrithik Roshan. Can you guess who has mysterious eyes and a... The correct answer is Nawazuddin Siddiqui. Can you guess who has a royal and The correct answer is Amitabh Bachchan. Can you guess who has animated and lively? The correct answer is Nargis Fakir. Can you guess who has mature and The correct answer is Wahida Remna. Can you guess who has playful, tease? The correct answer is Ileana de Cruz. Can you guess who has serious and thoughtful? The correct answer is Saif Ali Khan. Can you guess who has deep, soulful? The correct answer is Pankaj Tripathi. Can you guess who has stylish and fashion? The correct answer is Aditi Rao Hydari. Can you guess who has animated and lively eyes? The correct answer is Sushmita Sen. Can you guess who has bright and hopeful eyes? The correct answer is Manoj Bajpayee. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, and if you like the video, press the like button.